Hello, everyone. Welcome to another fantastic episode of Dad Jokes in Crypto. Here with my friend Travis. How you doing today, Travis?
Better than I deserve, and you?
Same. Better than I deserve. So we wanted to talk a little bit about today. We've had some pretty exciting videos come out in the last couple days from some well-known crypto influencers. One of them is Blockchain Backer. Had a video yesterday. Was it yesterday? About
Yes.
XRP. How everything's lining up perfect for a pretty epic bull run in XRP. We also had a couple videos from Ben Armstrong that we thought were kind of interesting. He's predicted Solana could go to $2,100. You know about that one. But and also that there is fluttering rumors of a XRP ETF being approved. So I'll talk a little bit about that. So why don't you jump in there first, Travis? How you feeling about blockchain backers latest video?
So he had some really exciting news.
Yeah.
Um, one of them, which I mean, a lot of people in maybe that crypto network community probably won't like a whole lot. But he was saying that crypto follows the stock market, and the stock market, the Dow Jones, just hit like an all-time high. Did
Yeah.
you
Yeah. We
you heard
talked about
that
this a
too?
little bit earlier. Like I don't ever watch the stock market. So
That is great. I don't either. That's crazy to me. So an
that's
all-time
throwback.
high. And so if that's hitting an all-time high, I looked the other day and my assets, all of them were down. All of my limit buys had been bought. I was like, wow, what is
Yeah.
going on with the market? I gotta get on and take a look.
Yeah.
And you'd sent me his link in that channel there, and so I was able to watch that video and kind of understand a little bit about what was going on with some of the market. And
I thought it was really cool that he said that it is an unpopular narrative that crypto follows the stock market, but he said, and he, I don't know, and maybe I interpreted it wrong, but he said more along the lines that Bitcoin follows the stock market. It's more like a slightly more volatile tech stock,
yeah,
whereas the rest of the cryptocurrency markets, altcoins and stuff could be, more volatile and have higher upswings than Bitcoin. So that was kind of interesting. And I know a lot of people hate when he says that, and they're like, "Oh, blockchain back here." And it's not a great narrative or not a great narrative necessarily, but people don't like the narrative, I guess, that Bitcoin does follow the stock market because they want it to be separate, decentralized, peer-to-peer, and all that stuff. So just interesting, all stuff he was talking about. So
and I can see looking back in the past and following some of the market now through this last bear market up leading up to this bull run here that I mean it looks like it follows the market, the stock market, according to some of the
yeah.
graphs and charts and stuff that he shows on there. Like, wow, I mean, maybe, like,
And
maybe.
it's as far as like charting and keeping track of things, I don't know anyone better than blockchain backer.
I don't
So
either. He's on the level.
and he just, I mean, he does so much stuff. He's in it every day. He follows all these trends, and he just really knows this stuff. And so that's one that we personally recommend you guys check that dude out because he's got stuff figured out.
He does, and he talked a lot about. So this last video that we watched, it was a lot about XRP, which is cool
Mhm.
because we really like XRP and the XRP and Ripple community. Um, but he talked about how usually when Bitcoin would pump, right soon after that you would watch XRP, and we're getting to that point, and so I'm getting real
Yeah,
excited. So
yeah. It's time to get your moon boots ready. Dust them off. It's moon time.
that was the mom.
Get the moon dust off of them. We're going back.
Ah,
But
that's
no, it
great.
is exciting, to see even from first part of 2023, we've seen a lot of moves up in the market, and that's how it usually is. It's just kind of a slow grind up, and then we have the halving, and then we kind of level out, and then all of a sudden it just launches. So the next, I mean, year to year and a half are just going to be exciting for crypto. We're jazzed
Gonna be
now.
great. I wish I had triple or quadruple the assets that I have now, just knowing
Same,
knowing what I
same.
know. But yeah,
Yeah. Now, good news or interesting, I guess. Our friend Ben Armstrong got a video predicting Solana goes to $2,100. What are your
you were
thoughts on that?
saying you saw it back in the bear market. It was like $8 or $9.
Yeah, I looked it back in the chart. I don't remember if it was like late 2022 or early 2023. We dropped down to $8.
And so if that really went to $2,100, how much of a gain would that be from just if you bought maybe? like an $8 token. Maybe you just bought one at $8. You're
It,
like, I'll see what
it's
happens. $8.
it's a 262 times on your money. So uh $100 turns into $26,000.
What if
Yeah.
you dropped like a stimmy check in there? What if you had like 2 or 3 kids? So you have like 3 or 4 grand from the government on a stimmy check, and you dropped it in at $8. Can you imagine?
Well, let me do some quick math here for you. I don't know if you can see this. That's that's
$787.
off 3 grand. If you drop 3 grand in at that price and it really went to 2,100, you're, I mean, almost a millionaire.
You're in some good cash. I understand that the
Yeah.
government's going to take their portion out of that. When you receive that, they will tax you on, what is it, a capital gains tax? Is that
So
what
it
it
all
is?
depends. So, well, you can have short-term and long-term capital gains. So if you've owned an asset for a year or longer, it's long-term capital gains. So it's substantially less, like 10 or 12% or something like that. Short-term is more. I don't know off the top of my head the percentage, but it would be, that's the goal. So like for us, when we're thinking like end of 2024, beginning of 2025, going to be big gains. It's like, okay, we kind of taper off what we buy now or hang on to those in the bull run so we don't have short-term capital gains, which are more than long-term capital gains. So
Yeah.
something to consider, not financial advice
No, not
at
financial.
all,
No.
but definitely consult with your tax professional
Yeah.
before you get the IRS at your door. So
Yeah. And just something for our viewers, if anybody wants to know. So today is January 6th, 2024. The price for Solana currently, so it's went up from $8 a little bit. We're sitting at $95.07. So you already 10
10%,
times your money if you
10,
bought it then.
10x. Yeah. Jeez.
But if it goes to $2,100, I mean, you can 20 times your money now.
Yeah.
Maybe we talked about this a little bit before, like in a couple videos before, but maybe you drop a couple hundred in there and just see what happens.
Yeah, it's definitely one to watch. It's one I'm going to keep on the back burner for sure in my personal portfolio. But in our corporate account, we do have some Solana, so we'll see how it does.
I like it.
So,
I
yeah,
like it. Okay.
yeah.
Hey, while I got you here, do you know what a email's least favorite kind of food is?
An email,
Yeah, an email. It's
uh,
spam.
spam and rice.
Spam and rice.
Yeah. So, I guess the real question I have then is, where do bees go if they want to use public transportation?
The I don't know.
A buzz stop.
Boom.
I'm very heavy on the bee jokes today. So,
That's all right. Did you get these from the Bee Movie with Jerry Seinfeld?
no, I just saw some bees earlier today, and I thought a lot about bee jokes. So,
You saw bees?
no, I did.
I was like, wow.
I
It's
I
a
thought
balmy it's a
no
balmy like
today.
65 degrees where you're at in Texas. I didn't think they were out yet. So
Yeah, well, yeah, Texas, right? Yeah,
Texas, you know,
yeah. Or
Houston.
or I could be seeing snow accumulate right now. So.
Yeah, I think we're supposed to have like the storm of the century hitting.
Oh, good,
Yeah.
good.
I
I
know,
hate when
right?
that happens.
We're talking feet, not inches, feet, people.
Yeah,
We're
shut down for a week.
we're loaded for bear, not the bear market. We're loaded for bear.
We're ready, loaded for bull market, but bear conditions. Uh,
Ah,
oh, also, real quick, this is not confirmed or anything, but heard rumors again from Ben Armstrong that XRP ETF could be coming. So
an ETF, if we're dumbing it down to kindergarten level, which I needed to ask before, is an exchange trade fund, right?
correct, yeah. So it's basically people like a bigger group, Grayscale, BlackRock, something offers a fund that has exposure to cryptocurrency, to Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, whatever. So bigger investors can own a little bit of that without actually owning the crypto. Kind of mitigates their risk, I think, a little bit. So
Which also means a little bit more cha-ching for us that own some of that.
yeah, a lot more money coming into the space. So something to keep your eye on. So
Yeah.
oh.
Everybody, you guys are awesome. If you like us, share some dad jokes with us. Hit that like button, subscribe. You guys have been awesome.
Peace.
Thanks, everybody.